The TJC spirit represents the uniqueness of an institution that lifts up whoever it touches, especially our students.
You will see them often come together as a group, many different backgrounds, many diverse cultures, and to see them encourage each other, to see them help each other. They finish an achievement and then they celebrate it together.
We were approached by a contributor when we established the Hartley Honor Plaza who wanted to commission a sculpture that represented the spirit of TJC. And of course, the Apache has been such an important representative of that spirit. In order to authentically represent the Apache in the sculpture, we approached the state of Texas Lipan Apache tribe to partner with us.
I look at it as a kind of a sending out, like a school trains people and then sends them out into the world to do the thing that they've trained them to do.
We also worked with the Lipan Apaches to select a spirit animal to complement the Apache, and they worked with us to select the Harris's hawk.
The Harris hawk is one of our warrior birds. They nest in cactus and sometimes on the ground with cactus. And they were called the wolf pack of the skies.
The Harris hawks often hunt in groups of 3, and they'll have several hawks that are supposed to be inconspicuous and are the lookouts.
They were respectful and courteous enough to understand about the relationship that our people have with it.
They directed us in how to basically best represent them throughout this, down to the minute detail.
He knew the history and he was seeking for our advice, and we gave him our advice, and I was very impressed with the simple fact that he treated us with great respect and accepted our advice.
They specifically wanted this choker added, and they were like, they always had a knife. Can you make a knife? They also worked with me specifically on like the shape of how they made the footwear.
The hawk also offers us the opportunity to have visual representation of that spirit through a mascot, hence Harry the Hawk, who is the Harris's hawk, the mascot version of a spirit animal that our students can embrace.
Knowing that daily, myself, other faculty, other staff, and our students at TJC are going to be able to see this statue here. They're going to be able to pass it as they move throughout the campus. They're going to be able to see the Apache, to see the Harris hawk, to see the other hawks around campus. It's going to be a continual reminder that there are aspects of being an Apache and having the Harris hawk around us that bind us together.